I just got back from Sephoria, the third session. You log in and you get a Sephora bag, and then you get to go trick-or-treating to all the different booths, all the different vendors that were set up there, and see what they had and learn about their products. So I'm going to share with you. First, the other bags we got. I got a bag for Milk Makeup. I didn't get any of their samples though because Bert had to take a potty break. I got one from We the People, and I was learning about this one on the virtual Sephora, and I am excited to try their body serum. It looks really neat. Plus we got some candies, which are always good. Moroccan oil, we got this giant, beautiful tie-dye tote bag, okay? And then here's everything else. I'm gonna try to do a speed round because I get talking. Kosas, we got a Squishmallow. I picked the Dream Beam. They had a few different ones you could choose from. Bert says he wants it, but it's squishy. Kay Ali was there, and I got a sample of the vanilla cocoa and the yum pistachio gelato. Because having a Sephora credit card, I got a water bottle from Sephora. Benefit candy bar, which the chocolate is going to be much needed. Killian was there. Marshmallow, because they use the marshmallow scent in their products. So they gave me the Princess by Killian, which is exclusive to Sephora. And I told them that my favorite is the Love Don't Be Shy. Oh my God, I love this. So he gave me a sample of that too. So I have one for my travel bag. Youth to the People, I got 2 of their Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Masks. A18 was there. Reverse hair damage in 4 minutes. So they gave me some samples of this and some other samples. I have everything up on the table here and it's not that big. So she said, you'll notice it in 4 minutes. So I said, okay, 2 times, 2 uses you'll notice. So we'll try it out and we'll see. Amica, I chose, they had a whole bunch of different of the shampoos. So I got the Mirror Ball one to try. The Innisfree, the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Acid Cream. And I got a bunch of the Innisfree Hyaluronic Acid Cream samples and serum samples. Laneige, I got some samples from them. Moroccan oil, their shimmering body oil. I'm gonna shimmer now, which is pretty awesome. Fenty had a Plinko game, and F-E-N-T-I is at the bottom. If you chose which letter and you were right before you released the Plinko chip, you won, and so I won, and I got this. This is their new body sauce, which I'm excited to try because I finally got to play Plinko after watching it all childhood sick days, and I won. So that's pretty cool. Pharmacy was there. I got a full size of their Honey Halo, trial size of their best sellers, their Pharmacy Green Clean and their Honey Halo. I do like their Honey Halo. I've tried it a few times on Sephora when you can pick the samples. And the Pure Honey, just pure honey, like to eat. NARS, I got this snazzy little zipper pouch and a trial of Dragon Girl Power Matte Lipstick. And I like it when I get these. If I don't use them, if the girls don't use them, the dogs use them. A JLo Beauty, that Blockbuster cream. Moroccan oil. Oh, this is their new Frizz Shield spray and their Moroccan oil treatment, which is really nice. I have that on my hair now. The Moroccan oil shower gel. Peptide Burst, the healthy hair and scalp after 1 wash. Molecular hair repair oil. Another one, We the People. I was learning about this morning on the virtual Sephoria. I didn't win, but I did get their body serum here to try, which is good because I saw it and I was like, I need to try that. There's another Moroccan oil. Yay, yay, yay. Like I've never really used it. And I got a brush from them. You could pick out what free swaggy gift, and I wanted the brush. And then we got the blue bag. Like Moroccan oil really did right? Tom Ford, I got 2 of the fabulous samples. Because of the price of his, I figured out those samples are like $18 for the sample. Day Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 Styling Cream. The people who worked over there were amazingly fantastic. Tower 28 concealer samples, Fenty perfume sample, Fenty starter set, the Fenty Skin What You Tone, a phone stand from Sephora. Summer Friday, we got the jet lag mask. Innisfree, the daily UV sunscreen. Looking forward to trying that out. Makeup Forever. I told the girl, I said, this is the palette's a little bit scary. She's like, makeup shouldn't be scary. So they had where you can sculpt the face. So I sculpt the face. And then I got an artist highlighter. I could have won a free palette. I didn't get one, but I need to try it now. But I think I'm gonna have to wait for the Sephora sale. Rinse-free hand cleaner from Morocco Oil. The Ceremonia scalp oil. Ceremonia guava leave-in conditioner. The recipe had, what's your biggest skin issue? And I said, I will get barrier issues around my eyes. I think it was from using too strong a retinol, I'm not sure. So she gave me pomegranate peptide firming serum and avocado ceramide recovery serum. I do like Glow Recipe, so I'm excited to try those. I haven't tried either of those yet. Fenty, I got a hair pulley vacuum band, a hairband, right? But not like this type of hairband. The people there were so nice. The Star Glow and the Sun Glow from Say. Sol de Janeiro had, they gave you this with the little tokens in it, and you could go one line for the Boom Boom, the other line for the Beige Fleur. I got a Beige Fleur because the Boom Boom line was very long. That was the biggest drawback, Fenty samples, was how long lines there were. So luckily I had gold, so I got in early. If I would have had yesterday's, I could have seen everything, but I didn't get to see Patrick Ta or Rare Beauty or Charlotte Tilbury or Natasha Denona, and I really wanted to see them too, but so did everybody else. Fenty Skin Fat Water, water cream from Tatcha, Overnight Repair from Tatcha. They had big sample bags from Tatcha, but I didn't get one, and I don't know why, and I was kind of sad. Caudalie Vino Perfect. I did get to go see Patrick Ta speak and Summer Friday people speak. Mascara, the Lancome, Power 28 playing cards, Power 28 floaty keychain for the dogs for retrieve, Sephora for the rouge and for being a card holder, the Dior Addict lip gloss. She chose for me, she chose a beautiful color. I got a picture of the bottom of it so I could order some. Skin Fix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Cream, Biossance Squalene and Copper Peptide Rapid Pumping Serum, Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask and Leave-In Treatment, Tower 28 mascara, and the SOS spray in the smaller travel size container, because that I can take on the plane with me. Drunk Elephant, how cute is this? Bee Hydra sample, Protini, Bronzy, Rula Oil, Lala Retro, the Rose Drops. In Beauty, how cute is that? I love that bag. That bag, like, with the hair clips. And you could choose one of their glaze lip oils. And I hadn't tried these, so I picked Candy Apple. They also had a mystery, which is a strawberry lemonade, which Rich would have loved. Kiss me whenever I taste like a strawberry lemonade. He loves lemonade. But since I have to wear it more, I'm good. I chose Candy Apple. And then they had like a Merlot. The Function of Beauty, so neat thing, shampoo, conditioner, masks and stuff, and you can choose up to 3 specialties. So you played a game, and I won combs. But I don't have combs like this, so that's cool. They also had Dyson, and I tried the Air Straight. Oh my God, I need that. She took a little piece of my hair, and just like that, like she didn't comb it out or anything first, and she just passed over it a few times, and it got super straight compared to the rest of the wave. Right, Candy from Laneige. Luke loves it so much. I used to get it for him all the time when he was a little kid. Morocco Oil, the body polishing scrub. Glow Recipe info and Function of Beauty info. It's just a cool bag. Oh, and Danessa Myricks was the other one. Oh, I saw her. I love her. She's always so happy and smiling and fun. And they had a game where you could win stuff. It was like a spin it and bloop, 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 bloop game. But it was really loud, and Bert was done and I was done because I didn't have the wheelchair today, because I told you it was, did I tell you? I think I told you. It was wet, and so when I roll in the wheelchair, because it's my manual chair, because the tires come up, it soaks my whole shorts and my underwear and everything else, my bum, and I didn't want to deal with that. But that means instead, because you can get over there a half hour early, so I was over there at 9:30 and we weren't done until 2. So I went to the Summer Friday talk for a half hour and the Patrick Ta talk for a half hour, and I sat down in the hallway for about 15 minutes because I just couldn't function anymore. And then Bert needed like 3 potty trips or 4 potty trips. So like they know me over there. Oh, and some people do too. Some people came up to me and they knew me. So I thought that was neat. Summer Friday pin, a Sephora pin, Tower 28 sticker, don't honk, I'm sensitive. A Sephora sticker, Sephora gum, a Summer Friday stickers, or 2 Summer Friday stickers, and Laneige stickers. Because if we're doing adult trick or treat for beauty supplies, we get stickers too and pins because we all like them. But that is what I got from the booths. That does not include my gold bag.